When it comes to kitchen appliances, Vitamix has a reputation that precedes itself. Known for their high-performance blenders, Vitamix has taken the same quality and engineering and packed it into a compact, powerful tool. Vitamix Immersion Blender. If you're in the market for a versatile, reliable, and powerful hand blender, the Vitamix Immersion Blender is a top contender. This review will delve into the key features, performance, and overall value of this product to help you decide if it deserves a spot in your kitchen. First thing that stands out about the Vitamix Immersion Blender is its powerful 625-watt motor. This motor is designed to handle a wide range of blending tasks, from pureeing soups to crushing ice for smoothies. The power of this motor allows it to easily blend tough ingredients like greens, frozen fruits, and nuts, ensuring you get a smooth and consistent texture every time. One of the biggest advantages of an immersion blender is its versatility, and the Vitamix Immersion Blender does not disappoint in this regard. With its 5 variable speed settings, you can customize the blending process to suit the specific needs of your recipe. Whether you need a gentle mix for a delicate sauce or a powerful blend for a thick smoothie, this immersion blender can do it all. The Vitamix Immersion Blender offers a level of precision and control that is rare to find in hand blenders. The 5 variable speed settings allow you to adjust the blending intensity with ease. This is particularly useful when working with different ingredients or trying to achieve a specific texture. The 4-pronged blade design ensures that ingredients are evenly blended, reducing the need for additional mixing or scraping. One of the most thoughtful features of this blender is its ergonomic handle design. Whether you're right or left-handed, the Vitamix Immersion Blender is comfortable to use with one hand. This frees up your other hand to add ingredients, hold the mixing container, or adjust the speed setting. The LED light display adds a modern touch, making it easy to see which speed setting you're on, even in dimly lit kitchens. If you've ever used an immersion blender, you know that one of the common concerns is scratching your pots and pans. Vitamix has addressed this issue with a specially designed bell guard. This guard not only reduces suction, which can make blending more efficient, but it also protects your cookware from scratches. You can blend directly in your favorite pots, pans, or even glass jars without worrying about damaging them. One of the standout features of the Vitamix Immersion Blender is its ease of use. The twist lock assembly makes it simple to attach and detach the blending wand, and the long 5-foot cord gives you plenty of flexibility to move around your kitchen. The corded design ensures consistent power, so you don't have to worry about a battery running out mid-blend. Cleaning the Vitamix Immersion Blender is a breeze. The blending wand can be detached and rinsed under running water or placed in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. The stainless steel body is not only durable, but also easy to wipe down, keeping your blender looking as good as new. Vitamix has a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality, durable kitchen appliances, and the Immersion Blender is no exception. The stainless steel construction not only looks sleek, but also ensures that the blender is built to last. The 18-inch length of the blender is perfect for reaching into deep pots or tall containers, making it ideal for a variety of blending tasks. Whether you're blending a large pot of soup or a small jar of dressing, this immersion blender has the reach and power to get the job done. One of the unique selling points of the Vitamix Immersion Blender is its ability to blend in virtually any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening. This flexibility means you can use your favorite smoothie cup, a 1-quart wide-mouth mason jar, or even blend directly in the pot on the stove. Another feature worth noting is the included components: the immersion motor, immersion wand, owner's manual, and a getting started pamphlet. These essentials ensure you have everything you need to start blending right out of the box. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is not just a tool, it's an investment in your kitchen. While it may come with a higher price tag compared to other immersion blenders on the market, quality, durability, and performance it offers justify the cost. If you're looking for a hand blender that can handle a wide range of tasks and is built to last, the Vitamix Immersion Blender is a smart choice. The combination of power, precision, ease of use, and thoughtful design makes this blender stand out from the competition. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Vitamix Immersion Blender will quickly become one of your go-to kitchen tools. In conclusion, the Vitamix Immersion Blender, stainless steel, 18 inches, is an exceptional kitchen appliance that delivers on both performance and convenience. Its powerful motor, variable speed settings, ergonomic design, and durable construction make it a must-have for anyone serious about their cooking. Whether you're blending soups, smoothies, sauces, or baby food, this immersion blender will exceed your expectations and make your culinary endeavors easier and more enjoyable. If you're ready to take your blending to the next level, the Vitamix Immersion Blender is the tool you've been waiting for. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your kitchen with this versatile and powerful appliance. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.